1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Crate 350 underneath the hood, approximately 10,000 miles on the engine. Does have a mild cam, 350 horse. That's paired up with an automatic transmission turbo hydromatic 350. That has a 2000 stall converter in it. Power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition. So we take a look at the chrome up front, the grille, headlight surrounds, little SS Tribute badging. Cowl hood, kind of a dark charcoal gray, metallic if you will. Black stripes, nice looking color combination. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Looks like newer Krager SS chrome wheels on there. Good shape. Cooper Cobra radials. Restoration work done on this car approximately in the last 8 years. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. A few things the technicians did note on this one. Rear quarter windows didn't roll down. I know sometimes people ask in the comments down below the videos why that wasn't fixed. Sometimes these vehicles are on consignment, and that's up to the consignor if they want to price it accordingly and announce it. So that's what we're doing. I'll get into that in just a little bit more detail here shortly. I want you to remember we also consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good, true dual exhaust. Speaking of exhaust, here's a few things I want to mention. This is going to come with that set of headers. It's also going to come with a car cover. Some other miscellaneous parts. A little extra carpeting, padding. Looks like a setting unit, fuel, California Duster. And you'll be able to see those things in the still pictures also. Air shocks on the rear of this car. The brakes are at 80% or better as far as the shoes all the way around. The tech did note there's a slight vibration, and it does pull to the right a bit when braking. There is paperwork on the engine, and again, that was a 350 crate engine. That has an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it with a Wyand Street Warrior intake. And again, still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Chevelle Malibus, if you're into the muscle cars in general from the early 70s, maybe late 60s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can see driver's side paint also shows well, nice shine to it. All right, let's check out this interior a little bit closer. So we have vinyl bucket seats, center console, horseshoe shifter. Tech did note that the gauges that are underneath the dash, there's a few aftermarket gauges there, and those are working. Oil, pressure, temperature, and volt meter, aftermarket gauges all working. Also a retro sound radio that is working. We're going to start it up, let's hear it run. We'll take a look underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, Jason will take this one for a drive too. It was noted the heater core was bypassed. We'll be able to see that underneath the hood here in just a little bit. Top of the dash looking good. All right, those aftermarket gauges, there's oil pressure up. Was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect water temp to be up. Voltmeter and radio working.
You have less testosterone. It's harder to stay lean and get the same results.
Nice sounding 350. seats appear to be free of rip stairs holes. Seat belts intact. How about that headliner? Headliner looking good. Rear deck where the 6x9s would be looking good. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Sounds good. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped. I did want to show you one thing. I did notice there's a light, kind of a little scratch in the black right here. I don't know if it'll show up. Kind of almost like a scuff. Nothing real major, but I thought I'll point that out. Don't get me wrong, this car's got a great look to it. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. No doubt the Chevelles aren't popular either. This one will turn some heads. Let's check out that engine bay. All right, good look at the underside of the hood. Also nice and clean and tidy. There's that engine bay. Again, power brakes, power steering. HEI ignition. Crate 350. Does have an aluminum radiator. With electric fan. Factory AC car with the components not intact anymore. Mentioned the heater core is bypassed. Battery disconnect for in between drives or while it's in storage. '72 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Very nice looking in this kind of a gunmetal gray with black stripes. Automatic right here on the center console with the horseshoe style shifter. Feels like maybe a little torque converter upgrade. Really quick, nice firm shift from that automatic transmission. Make for good acceleration. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash.
Don't have a lot of money.
Sounding very good. Under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge showing 50 psi. Water temperature 180 and volts just over 14 where they should be. The wipers also work on this car. A little bit of wind noise around the windows. Now it is 30 degrees outside and very windy today in Minnesota. So that could play a part. Excellent power steering in this car. Just steering it with 2 fingers right now. Brakes working very well. Brakes smooth. I love that cowl induction style hood look on this car. Corners nicely. Sounds really good, and I can hear that 4-barrel open up. Just want to keep doing it. Very nice looking vinyl bucket seats in this car. Smooth ride down the highway and a great looking Chevelle. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.